Howdy, welcome to Starkey Outdoors. We're in mid-March now, and today I'm on Lake Oologah. The water temperature is like 50 degrees, and we are going to pull planer boards. Kind of like drifting, but it's more like dragging. Anyway, we're going to go for Bluecats, try to get a nice one or two, and that's the plan. So let's go see if we can pull some boards and catch a big fish. All right, we're going to catch some shad. We need some big shad today. There's a lot of shad here. I'm up here in 50 feet of water. So let's just see what we get. Hopefully we'll get a few big ones. Most of these fish in here are thread fin. Yeah, those are too little. I want bigger. Here we go. I know we caught some. You're looking for a few big ones. Oh well. So I'm going to use some of this eel, and the reason is I don't like fishing on credit. So I'm going to put a little piece of eel on every pole, and I'm going to use shad, and that way if my shad comes off, I still got eel. That's my plans. Okay, we're starting to set them out. Once I get them all set out, I'll slow this boat down to about 0.3, 0.4 miles per hour. See how that works out. I'm going a little fast right now. I'm going at 3/4 mile an hour just to get them all set out. This here's my setup. I got a little walking sinker. I think that's a 2 ounce. It's a limber. And then I'm running a Demon Dragon. And then below that I've got a ball chain swivel and probably a number 8 hook. So yeah, that's kind of how I'm doing it. All right, we're all set out. Now the long wait for something to bite. I'm actually painting a few fish. I'm in 8.7 feet of water. Let's see, the water temperature actually is 51 degrees. So yeah, fingers crossed. Got one going on this one. Got him, boys. Got a log. That's what we got. Fish on. Oh, he got off. Doggone it. Ah. Man, that was a good hit. Dang. There's a fish. Fish on. There we go. Now he's fighting. Now he's fighting a little bit. Just slow roll him in. I don't think it's very big. But first fish of the day, he took my planer board under. He come from 8.5 feet of water. I gotta wind this one in. Okay. What do we got? There we go. Not a bad fish. It's not the 50-pounder we're looking for though. Still got my eel on there. Well, get him back in the water. Well, he's hooked good. Yeah, he's about a 7-8 pounder. Back you go. Cool. There's a fish. I just put this one out. Out there country mile. Doesn't feel like a big one. Yeah, you did it. And all my lines. Let's see here. See if we get lucky. Okay. Yeah. Little one. Don't worry, buddy. We'll let you go. There you go. Just a little one. About 3 or 4 pounds. There's a fish. Didn't get him. Yeah, I did. I did get him. He had just ran with it a long ways. Pretty good fish. See my planer board underwater. Oh, we're tangled up now. This is gonna be a mess. Oh man. It's gonna be a catastrophe. Oh my gosh. Catastrophe. Ugh. Let me get him off here first. Ugh.
I get along very well with the Iraqi leadership. Thank you.
Oh, there's a good one. There's a good one. Hope he didn't get off. He got off. Dang. That was a good one.
Countries committed to cracking down on the shadow fleet. Rusi adds that such task forces will do well to involve countries in the South China Sea, where shadow fleet ships operate with impunity and have already placed other maritime traffic in peril. In short, more.
All right, fish on. Fish on. Listen to this. It's a good sound. He's way out there. Get my little old hat on and film this. Still haven't seen him. Oh, there it is. It's not that big. It's a nice one though. Let's come on this side here. Nice one. About as close as we're going to get him. Let's see how good he's hooked. I think he's hooked pretty good. Not that big, but pretty good one. Pretty good one. Probably about 12 pounds. I'll take it. I'll take it. Caught him on a shad and an eel. Fish. Another fish. There's that sound. My banjo. Let's see what we got here. Feels like a pretty good one. Just slow roll him in. Well, that's a pretty fish. Look how white that fish is. Look at that dude. I can get it as far as I can. It's hooked good. Man, what a pretty fish. Ugh. That is one white fish. Just out there minding its own business. Look at that. Here's that eel. Beautiful fish. There we go. Dragon boards. And a pretty fish. Look how white it is. White. Heck yeah. Yeah, middle of the day too. Been kind of slow, but we've caught a couple nice ones together. All right, I would say this one's about 18 pounds. In the water it goes. Okay, dude, in the water you go. In good shape. That didn't take long. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today. Sun's fixing to go down. We caught a couple in the teens and 3 or 4 others. So kind of slow, but still a fun day. Learn a little bit. Springtime's a coming. Thanks for watching Starkey Outdoors. I'll see you on the water.